So the last time I posted something, they were in the process of installing the stormwater drain, which was right there. They connected it here, and it goes from this pond to the next pond, and you can see that now we've got grass growing on the sides of it to kind of keep the erosion from getting too crazy. And then here is all the new stuff. So first off, say hi to my helper.
Hi.
Hayden's out here acting like a boss, learning all this stuff. So here is the process of sewer getting installed. So they have that sewer pipe going in between that manhole and this manhole, and then at some point it's going to get connected to the city sewer that's in there. So let's continue the process. So look, the guy standing in the hole, you can kind of see how deep it is. And essentially the entrance is going to come here. Residents are going to drive in here. They're going to have parking right about where that, I don't know the proper thing of that. That's not a bulldozer. That's like a, I guess maybe that is a bulldozer. But here is where the pad's going to go. So they're digging all this dirt out. They're having to dig about 20 feet of dirt. This site has a lot of dirt that we're getting rid of. Again, putting in sewer, putting in water. I just met with our concrete guy. You see them moving all this dirt. What you think, Hayden?
It's kind of boring.
It's boring?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna learn a lot today.
I don't like the colors.
Hey, this is a homeschool. Look, this is a homeschool. Your first, what's it called when you, a field trip? Homeschool field trip. Okay.
That's what we can call it.
Let's show. And on the back side of the property, they're actually fixing a machine. We've got material stored here. Look, we need to find out what those stakes are for. Those mean something. They got it labeled. Ponds are holding water, so every time it rains now, these are all up and running.
Can you tell us why there's hay bales right there?
That is for erosion control. So that is used, they put grass seed down, and just like we did it at our house, it keeps the grass seed from going in, and now you've got grass actually growing on the side. So look, let's go stand in the shade over here.
Yeah, that way.
And we can take a little water break. Look, you need to write your name on there, Hayden.
Oh yeah, I do.
You can spray paint it. Well, actually, no, that's going to be visible because that's the finished grade. Let's go hang out in the shade for a little bit and shoot some more content, okay?
Okay.